Scene script. Have you ever pondered how your life would change if your money worked for you instead of you working for your money? Welcome to a journey of financial enlightenment. It's a journey that begins with a fundamental shift in the way we perceive money and our relationship with it. You see, traditionally we're conditioned to believe we must toil, sweat, and work hard to earn money. It's a mindset that has been passed down generations, and it's a mindset that keeps many of us in the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. But what if we could flip that script? What if, instead of you working for your money could work for you? This is not just a fanciful dream. It's a reality, one that is attainable through financial intelligence. Financial intelligence is not about being a Wall Street whiz or a mathematical genius. It's about understanding how money works and how you can make it work for you. It's about leveraging the power of money to create wealth and financial freedom. You see, money is more than just a means of exchange. It's a tool, a resource that, when properly managed and invested, can generate more money. It's about understanding that every dollar you have today can be turned into $2, $3, or even $10 tomorrow. This concept, however, is not taught in schools. It's not something you'll learn in a traditional classroom. It's a form of financial literacy, a critical skill set that unfortunately many of us lack. But the good news is, it's never too late to learn. It's never too late to change your mindset and start viewing money not as a master but as a servant, as a tool that can work for you. Imagine a life where you're not constantly chasing after money, but where money is flowing towards you. Imagine a life where financial stress is replaced with financial freedom. Understanding the power of money is the first step towards financial freedom. So let's take that first step together. Let's embark on this journey towards financial intelligence and let's make our money work for us. Did you know that compound interest can be your best friend in wealth creation? Let's break it down. Compound interest is the process where the interest you earn on your investment also starts earning interest. It's like a snowball rolling downhill, gathering more snow and becoming larger with every roll. That's compound interest for you, and it's nothing short of magical. Imagine this. You've saved $1,000 and you invest it at an interest rate of 5% per annum. At the end of the first year, you'll earn $50 in interest. But here's where the magic happens. If you leave that total of $1,050 in the account, the next year, you'll earn interest not just on your original $1,000, but also on the $50 you earned last year. That's the power of compounding. The more time you give your money, the more it multiplies, thanks to the magic of compound interest. Let's say you start saving and investing when you're 20. By the time you retire, you'll have a significantly larger nest egg than if you started saving the same amount per year in your 30s or 40s. It's the beauty of compound interest and time working together. Being consistent is also key. Regularly investing a set amount can make a huge difference in the long run. It's like watering a plant. You can't just pour a gallon of water on it one day and forget about it for a month. The plant needs consistent care to grow and thrive, just like your investment needs consistent contributions to harness the power of compound interest. Remember, it's not just about how much you save, but also about how long you save and at what interest rate. And while compound interest is no get-rich-quick scheme, it's a proven, reliable method to build wealth over time. Compound interest, the secret ingredient to make your money work tirelessly for you. Investing, it's not just for the Wall Street wizards, but for anyone who desires financial growth. Now, let's dive deeper into the world of investing. There's an array of investment options out there, each with its own potential for growth and risk. Let's start with stocks, which represent ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you're buying a piece of that company, sharing in its profits and sometimes its losses. Stocks can be volatile, with prices fluctuating rapidly, but they also offer high potential returns. Then there are bonds, which are essentially loans you give to an organization, typically the government or a corporation. In return, you receive periodic interest payments and the return of the principal amount when the bond matures. Bonds are generally safer than stocks, but their returns are usually lower. Real estate is another great investment avenue. It can provide rental income and potential appreciation over time. However, real estate requires significant initial capital and isn't as liquid as stocks and bonds. Mutual funds offer a way for investors to pool their money together to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, and other assets. They provide diversification and professional management, making them a good choice for beginners. No matter what types of investments you choose, remember the golden rule of investing: diversification. This means spreading your investments across a variety of assets to reduce risk. If one investment performs poorly, others may do well, balancing your overall portfolio. Risk management is another crucial aspect of investing. It's about understanding the potential downside of your investments and taking appropriate measures to mitigate that risk. This could mean setting stop-loss orders for your stock trades or only investing money you can afford to lose. Investing also opens up the potential for passive income. This is income that you earn without having to actively work for it, such as dividends from stocks or rental income from real estate. It's like having your money work for you while you sleep. Invest wisely and watch your money multiply. Investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a strategic approach to growing your wealth over time. So, equip yourself with knowledge, make informed decisions, and start your journey to financial growth. Ever wondered why some lottery winners go broke? The answer lies in financial discipline. Imagine winning the lottery, millions of dollars instantly at your disposal. It's a dream come true, right? Yet, a surprising number of these instant millionaires find themselves broke in a matter of years. It's not the lack of money that's the problem, it's the lack of financial discipline. Financial discipline is the conscious control over your financial life. It involves making smart, calculated decisions about how to earn, spend, save, and invest your money. It's about understanding that every dollar has a purpose and a place. Let's dive deeper into the heart of financial discipline, starting with budgeting. A budget is your financial roadmap. It tells you where your money should go, be it for necessities like rent and groceries or for savings and investments. It's a plan that helps you avoid overspending and keeps you on track towards achieving your financial goals. Next up, saving. It's the act of putting aside a portion of your income for future use. Saving is crucial because it provides you with a financial cushion for emergencies and allows you to accumulate wealth over time. Remember, a part of what you earn is yours to keep. Make it a habit to save first, then spend what's left. Now let's talk about reducing unnecessary expenses. We all have guilty pleasures and indulgences that we can't seem to let go. But part of financial discipline is distinguishing between needs and wants, and prioritizing the former over the latter. It's about making sacrifices today for a more secure and comfortable tomorrow. Lastly, living within your means. It's a simple concept, yet one that many struggle with. It means spending less than you earn. It means avoiding debt whenever possible. It means making choices that align with your current financial situation, not the one you wish you had. In essence, financial discipline is about taking control of your money rather than letting it control you. It's about making informed decisions that align with your financial goals and values. It's about creating a future where your money works for you, not against you. Financial discipline, the cornerstone of making your money work for you. So, how can you set yourself on the path to financial freedom? The road to financial freedom isn't paved with get-rich-quick schemes or lottery wins. It's built on the bedrock of financial literacy, a concept that is, unfortunately, often overlooked. Understanding how money works, how it grows, and how it can work for you is the first key to unlocking your financial freedom. Remember the magic we discussed? The magic of compound interest? It's a powerful tool that works best when given time. When you invest your money, it grows. When you leave that growth invested, it grows even more. This is the snowball effect of compound interest, and it's how small amounts invested wisely can balloon into significant wealth over time. But how do you know where to invest? That's where financial literacy comes in again. Knowledge is power, and in the world of finance, it's the power to make informed decisions. Wise investments aren't about chasing the latest stock market fad or jumping on the hottest cryptocurrency bandwagon. They're about understanding risk and reward, about diversifying your portfolio, and about having the patience and discipline to stick with your investment strategy even when the going gets tough. And let's not forget about financial discipline. Budgeting, saving, living within your means, these aren't glamorous concepts, but they're absolutely crucial on your journey to financial freedom. Without discipline, even the most lucrative investments can be squandered away. So, where to from here? Start educating yourself. Read books on finance, follow reputable financial news sources, and consider speaking to a financial advisor. Start saving, start investing, and start harnessing the power of compound interest. Start living within your means and making conscious decisions about your money. Remember, the journey to financial freedom begins with a single step. Make your money work for you, and not the other way around.